Hi everyone, welcome to this another video in Market Talk YouTube channel. So today I thought of giving you one simple way to backtest your strategy. So this what backtesting is what many of you wanted to know, like what is the profitability and when did the long trade will be taken, how many points would I gain, how can put stop loss, some ideas you will get. So how to backtest with a simple tool which is free for you. So the strategy I'm going to tell you for how to backtest is through tradingview.com. So just what you do is just see, go to tradingview.com. You can create your own account. It is free. There is no charge for this basic features. You can test your strategy here. So for coding in TradingView, there is called something called PineScript. PineScript is using the way how to do backtesting of your coding or strategies. So first go to tradingview.com. Then let me just take you through one stock, Bank Nifty. Let me just take you Bank Nifty. Once you go to Bank Nifty, you can see chart like this. Then go to full feature chart. Okay. Now after going to full feature chart, you can see something like this, the chart with all the details. Now you can see something called the bottom. If it will be like this, okay, normally it will be like this. Then what you do is, you can the bottom you can see PineScript. Okay, so PineScript just open here. This is a way where you are going to do your strategy testing. Okay, now what we'll do here is just delete this. Whatever you can see the backslash, that is not to be considered for your programming. Now what we'll do is we'll put some small code, basic codes to start with. What we'll do here, strategy, open bracket, double quotes. Now the strategy what we're going to do is moving average crossover, 20 moving average over 50 moving average crossover. So we will call this as a moving average cross. Okay, and then we'll close. Okay, next come to the will come some line. Okay, one line. Then we'll tell simple moving average, SMA 20 is the name what we'll give for simple moving average, and we'll tell SMA. This is a standard codes in this system, close comma 20. So it takes the closing price and 20 moving average. Okay, simple moving average for 20. Then another one will define as SMA 50 equal to SMA close comma 50. So this will be defined. So 20 moving average and 50 moving average cross the average are defined in system now. Now what we'll do here, when to go long. Long, the condition we are giving here equal to SMA 20 when crossing over SMA 50. Okay, the name what you are giving here, same you have to use here, not different one. When you go short, short equal to SMA 20 less than SMA 50. So we are given the condition. First we define what is SMA 20, what is SMA 50, simple moving average. Now we are given the when to go long, when to go short. Okay, well, definition we are not giving the entry actually here, we are just defining when to go long. So how to feed the trigger, fire the trigger to the system. For that what you do is there is something called strategy dot entry, open bracket. When you just move your mouse over here, you will get the condition, a complete list of what is the order of conditions you have to feed in this system for this strategy entry. Now strategy entry will tell here long, the name text we are giving, then strategy dot long, then we are telling here how many quantities, 100 quantities will tell here. Then when means the condition when you want to go long equal to the long, we already given the condition here long, when we want to go long. Now we are given the condition for strategy entry, strategy dot entry for short. Now we are giving the entry for short comma strategy dot short comma how many shares, 100. So what happens when it goes short is square of your positions also, that also we will give here. When to go short, when equal to short. So when you want to go short, this is the condition we are giving here. Now when you want to close the strategy, strategy dot close long when you want to close, comma, when equal to short. When the short condition triggers, the long will be closed. Then strategy dot close for short. When you want to go the short, when equal to long. When the long triggers, short will be closed. So this is simple basic code for your 20-50 moving average crossover. Now we'll save this. Okay, moving crossover, I'll just save the name. Now add to chart. Tell add to chart. So what we'll do is you'll get a trigger long. Automatically, if you see here, you can just minimize this. You'll get long. When the condition triggers, you'll get long here. When the condition triggers short, automatically you'll get a 200 quantity, because 100 we already shorted, that is getting squared off and going long. So automatically it shows the quantity also how you going long. Now you are seeing here the crossover coming here. What we'll do here, we'll go here, add one more thing here, comma, overlay. You want to put the overlay on this chart true. So otherwise it's coming in the downside actually. We don't want this to come here. We want to be on the top only here. I'll say this chart overlay equal to true, add to chart. Now once we add it to the chart, you can see here. Now go to strategy tester, you can see overview. It tells you what is the percentage of profit. Okay, what is the performance summary? This is the profit you made by buying 100 quantity of Bank Nifty, and the gross loss. Overall profit is this much is profit, 37,84,000. From which date? Starting from 2000. Okay, and use the trades also when you are entering the date, with what price you are entering and what time you are exiting. Till the current date, latest date, you can see what is the current position. So in the current position, we are entering the long current 20,137 levels. We entered the position in the daily chart. 100 quantity, we entered long position, and this is the profit. So this way you can do the back testing, and we can fine tune changing the moving averages. If you change the time frame from daily time frame to hourly time frame, you can see the profit also. The same moving average crossover, the same period only, 20 period move, 50 period crossover in 1 hour chart also you can see, and you can see in the strategy tester what is the performance and what is the profit summary. If you see the performance percentage has come to 33.57. In the daily chart it was, when the 1 hour chart if you see, it has gone to 50%. And if you try different stocks, you can try that also. Let us try RBL Bank with 100 shares, 27.78% only. Okay, performance summary, if you see, this is a profit, gross profit and gross loss, net profit. And see, let us see Bajaj Finance. You can see the profit, 4,28,000 profit, gross profit, gross loss 2,61,000, 1,60,000 is the profit. And you can see list of trades, that till the latest trade what you taken, that you can see here. So this way you can see the back test of your favorite strategies, different strategies you can try it out. So just a startup for you to give an idea on how to do back testing in TradingView free of cost, and you need to have little coding knowledge. This is starting, you can just develop on this, and hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like the channel for good things that you can bring it to you for free. Thank you.